In this video I'll show you the first 15 drum beats from Pegada Drum Method Fundamentals to Intermediate. It's page 13 and 14 if you have the May 2019 edition. Maybe this will be too small on your screen, but under most grooves are names of songs that students can start learning after practicing each drum beat. You can download a free sample of the book from the link in the Instagram bio or YouTube description. In the next video I'll talk about an exercise called single stroke timekeeping with quarter, eighth and 16th notes that will help your students improve timekeeping and speed.